Being called an expert is a little, nobody knows everything. Somebody else always knows something way more than you do. I am from Johnstown, Pennsylvania, and that is a very, very teeny tiny town outside of Pittsburgh. If I wasn't in the beauty industry, I probably would be a psychologist or maybe a teacher. At one point, I was thinking about switching majors too. So my senior year of college, I had been accepted to go get my master's in psychology. Just found a job that was the assistant beauty editor for a magazine. I applied for it and I got the job. And it's been over 20 years now. I never looked back. Being a working mom is a privilege. I love being a mom and I love being a working mom. I feel like that really is important to my identity and who I've become. Brush them up, you brush them out, you sort of make that natural shape. What I love about what I do is that we get to tell the story to millions and millions of people, and that is such an extreme privilege. Sometimes beauty and fashion can feel really intimidating. I love being able to just make it feel really real and not intimidating. So it's constantly hydrating your skin all day long. It's, I think, what makes this so incredibly effective. I hope people discover an answer to their problem. Something inspiring and something that just makes them joyful about beauty.